It can be really hard to keep up with the new AI tools that are coming on the market all the time. So here are 10 really useful free AI tools. All of these sites, the links are below. Do take a look at them. Let me know in the comments. Let's take a look. Okay, so first up we have TLDR this, which is a website which will summarize any piece of text you put in. You put in a URL or put in a chunk of text. So you can click the summarize button, paste the text into here or paste the URL in. I've got an article I've copied in. I'm going to click summarize this. It'll then chunt it for a minute and then it should give you a summary of the news story. Next up is Microsoft Designer. This will let you put in a description of a thing that you want, a design that you want to create, and it'll then generate that design for you. Try that, click on generate and choose an image that you like. If you want to add an image, click on add image and generate images in the same way as well. Next up is Perplexity AI, which is an alternative to ChatGPT, so we can use it in the same ways we've used ChatGPT. Please summarise what teachers should be using AI tools such as Perplexity and ChatGPT. Again, it will then generate your description, your text, whatever you want, and then also links to other things that might be useful. Next up we've got Script AI, which is a script writer for YouTube. So how to use ChatGPT to create a blog post. Let's generate a script. So there you go, there's a quick script. Next up is Journey Plan. You want to put a destination. It'll then plan your trip for you and then come up with an itinerary and a plan for your journey. Next up is Cutout Pro. Cutout Pro is a suite of AI tools that let you edit images. You can do background removal, you can upscale images, upload an image and have that remove the background. Next up, Video to Recipe. If you've got YouTube videos of recipes that you'd like to have turned into step-by-step instructions, you can paste the URL of the video in here and then click on get the recipe. It'll generate the recipe for you. Next up is Oxolo. Oxolo will produce advertising videos for you using the URL of a product. So you can use Amazon links, you can use other links. It'll then generate video ads for you for that platform. Next up is WAV Tool. This is an AI powered digital audio workstation. It has a lot of features that most workstations will have. It's all through your browser, so you haven't got anything to install, but the AI edition is a chatbot in the corner where you can ask it to give you particular features such as beats and certain sounds and so on, and it will do some of the work for you using its AI technology. So the chatbot is in the corner here. And then finally, PromptVibes. This is a way of testing new ChatGPT prompts. It's got an archive of past prompts. So if you're looking for new prompts to use to get the most out of ChatGPT, you can search by category, or you can just type a keyword search in there and see what you can find. So there are 10 really useful AI powered tools that you can use today. I'll be back soon with some more videos in the very near future. So thanks again for your time. Please like and subscribe if you like these videos, and I'll be back here very soon. Cheers, thanks a lot, goodbye.